I, on behalf of Mr. P.K. Roy Sudhir, he is not well, my lord, today. That's why.
What has happened to him?
Yesterday, he took some medicine for diabetes, my lord. After taking this, my lord, he had some reaction, my lord.
Pertaining to the state of Mizoram?
Mizoram, my lord.
I'm happy.
You're for the Mizoram?
Yes.
Okay. When do you want?
Any date, my lord.
Next week?
Next week, my lord.
On a request made on behalf of Sri P.K. Roy Chaudhary, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Matter is adjourned to be listed after a week.
My lord.
May I please, Your Lordship? I beg to mention for lifting, Your Lordship.
Listing.
Yes, my lord.
Fresh matter.
Yes, my lord, admission matter, my lord, it's a
Of
expert.
which
Your-
year?
2024, Your Lordship.
24 days are matters. Have you seen 18, 17 matters there?
Yes, my lord. As soon as on
None-
Friday, Your Lordship.
Not by mention, Mama. Sorry. Yes.
May I please, Your Lordship, with due concern for the appellant side, I beg to mention item number 5 of the list, my lord.
Yes.
Actually, my senior has some difficulty today, my lord. Then the
Mr.
matter
Bora,
Mr. Amnath, my lord.
Amnath will be appearing.
Yeah, he has some difficulty today.
Have you informed the other side?
Yes, I've already informed the other side. And can we in the next week, my lord?
Hmm?
In the next week, my lord.
Okay. On a request. But this is matter specially assigned to this bench. Justice A.D. Chaudhary is not, cannot take up the matter. Therefore, it has come before us. Okay. On a request made on behalf of Sri M. Nath Learned Senior Counsel for the respondent.
That's
Writ
number
petition-
1.
Respondent number 1, writ petitioner. Matter is adjourned to be listed after 1 week.
1 week, my lord. Date may be fixed, my lord. That's why.
We cannot fix a date. This matter is a different kind of a matter. Okay, next.
Wait, please, Your Lordship, I beg to mention item number 8, Your Lordship. Yesterday, I have submitted adjournment slip, Your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, the arguing counsel has some personal difficulties today.
Who is the arguing counsel?
Mr. A.W. Aman, Your Lordship.
Okay. On a request made on behalf of the applicant, matter is adjourned to be listed after a week.
Highly obliged.
Review is pertaining to the bench of who bench constituted of whom? We don't think that is a bench, this bench. After a week.
Monjit and Nonita Agya.
Hmm?
This bench can take lordship.
Who-
No, Monjit Bhai and Nonita Agya.
Okay,
7, 12,
okay, any bench can take them.
Yes.
Okay, keep on. After a week.
Highly obliged.
Lordship, I'm a 64-year-old woman, my lords. I am behind bars since June, my lords. So it's a fresh matter. I'm praying for listing, my lords.
Press matter can come up whenever you want.
Let it
FT
be-
matter.
Yes, your lords. Let it be on Thursday.
Thursday is when? Day after tomorrow?
Yes, your lords.
Okay, we can have it on Thursday.
Much-
When did you file?
Yesterday only, my lords.
Okay.
Much obliged.
May I please, Your Lordship, my lord, this honorable court supposed to peruse the case diary, Lord. My learned senior friend was directed, Lordship. Yes, sir.
Yes, directed to Otis Desai.
What is the matter?
My lord, matter relating to Lordship, missing of petitioner's daughter, Lordship, who was married with the Lordship, earlier respondent number 6, Lordship, and thereafter, Lordship.
Oh, that in the brick clean.
Yes,
Lordship.
brick industry.
Yes, what is that? What is that? কিবা এটা পানীৰ খিনি সিঁচি দিব কৈছিলে, পানীখিনি সিঁচি পোৱা নাছিলে। একেবাৰে ভালকে তাতে নোহোৱা হ'ল।
Four acres, total 4 acres, 4 acres. Very special.
The investigation is over.
Yes, ma'am.
Charge sheet
No,
submitted,
That is not submitted. Investigation going on, my lord.
or not over.
I'm not asked.
The FIR was registered when?
My lord, FIR was,
25/3/2025.
yes, yes.
For a missing person, 25/3 March, we are in November.
November, my lord, frequently they have changed their statement, my lord. And 26.
No,
they say,
that cannot be a reason for not to complete the investigation. You complete the investigation, file charge sheet, give it to the court. Court will take care where if they are changing their statements.
process. All 4 persons were earlier arrested and now they are in bail, man. All 4 persons here. One main accused, Amir Ali, he is the wife of that victim girl, and Majibur Rahman.
What
brother
was
of
the, what is the age of the victim?
girl.
Lordship, age of the victim. Lordship, although I was not instructed as such, Lordship, but as per statement, Lordship, that 2 years back, Lordship, she was married. So,
19,
Married 2 years back.
yes, Lordship.
19, 19 months.
1920, like
19, about
You are the father.
I am the father.
Father is aged 40, so a very young girl.
Defend them.
The deponent is aged 40 years.
Defend them, no? She was defend them, my lord.
Different. Lord.
She cannot talk. That is the problem. Sometimes her husband said that I killed her, and again said that one Aminuddin, who saw the contractor, main contractor of Big Factory, he sold her anywhere. That is contradictory statement in various times. For all,
But what, that should not be an impediment for laying the charge sheet. Lay the charge sheet. Let the trial begin.
কি করবো?
Is to close করলে মানে for কি করবো তাহলে? ওদের যে and tell an inconsistent statement to accept as factors which will lead to raise a suspicion. I mean, take a When is the charge sheet likely to be submitted?
They will submit.
Because his alternative prayer is to give the investigation
Then
to the CID or any other
only they have
agency.
not filed charge sheet, only the dead body was not found. For
Right?
that
You
reason,
cannot wait for time indefinite.
Then, my lord, your lordship direct, they will file charge sheet.
From March to November, if you have not found the body, you cannot wait till you find the body.
Your lordship, sir. Within 2 weeks, they will file.
Hmm?
Within 2 weeks, lordship.
We will issue notice, we may consider the other prayer also.
Yes, lord.
Heard. 3. NH Barbia, Learned Counsel for the petitioner who has approached this court by means of this petition in connection with the missing of his daughter from 22/3/2025, full stop. The petitioner had also lodged a report before the concerned police station giving rise to Sonapur PS case number 55 of 2025 on the section so and so available. The petitioner has also prayed for a direction to get the investigation done by the CBI or CID. Full stop para. When this matter had come up for consideration on previous occasions, status report was called for, as per which, the victim could not be recovered, full stop. The case diary, which has been produced before us by Sri Sharma, P. Sharma, London State Council, today also reveals that there is no significant progress in the investigation, and the body and the victim is yet to be recovered. Full stop. The case diary also reflects that there is no further scope, no scope for further investigation. Last para. Let notice be issued returnable by 4 weeks. Yes, whom will take P. Sharma 1, 2, 3,
4.
and 4 by P. Sharma. First up, we have already we have noted that the names of the respondents 5 and 6 were struck off in pursuance to an order dated 6/8/2025 passed by this court. First of list, we give a date. List 3 weeks, you have said, no? 3 weeks, isn't it? 4 weeks, isn't it? Make it 3 weeks. No, make it 2 weeks. 2 weeks. 2 weeks. List on on 10th of December.
Hello, madam.
The case diary is returned back to the patient. Hello.
Foreigners Tribunal matter, Your Lordship. The petitioner was declared foreigner on 25/4/2025. The contested case, Your Lordship. He have filed this WS and showing all voter list and all these things. The learned tribunal.
Heard with J. Khalid, learned counsel for the petitioner, who has approached this court challenging an opinion dated 25/4/2025 passed by the so-and-so in case number so-and-so. First, by the impugned opinion, the petitioner has been declared a foreigner post 1971 Supreme. Para. Let notice be issued. Returnable by 6 weeks. Yes, Mr. Doctor, you'll be appearing for CGC. Okay. Doctor, huh? AK Doctor for CGC for 1. And, G. Sharma, Selling Council Loan Department and NRC for 2,
4 and 6.
2, 4, and 6. Election Commission of India. M. Islam on behalf of AI Ali for 3. And District Commissioner number 5 is by P. Sharma. Okay. Extra copies be served. Call for the records. Para, Khalid, the learned counsel, prays for an interim order. Para, considering the facts and circumstances, as to be given, is 5,000 daily. Okay. You appear within the time. Will-
Obliged, Your Lordship.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, contested matter lordship, petitioner was declared foreigner on 29/1/2022. Kindly see lordship, case 54 lordship.
Records have come.
Yes, yes, Lord. Yes, Lordship.
We take for disposal.
Yes, Lord.
What is your name?
M. Alam lordship.
M. Alams. Where is the opinion?
Lordship,
Page
50. Lordship, 58 lordship.
58. Five eight. Not 58. 58?
8.
What is 54 then? 54? 58.
From 53.
Twenty-nine one 2022.
Lordship.
54. Yes.
Lordship, kindly see lordship, page 17 lordship, voter list of the petitioner father lordship, 1965,
Page 17.
17 lordship. Serial number 220 lordship, Abdul Hakim lordship.
Abdul Hakim is your father.
Father lordship.
What is your grandfather's name?
Abdul Kheras lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, subsequent voter list of 1970 lordship, page 19 lordship. Serial number 210 lordship. My father name is dear lordship.
Okay.
Lordship, 1977 voter list, page 21 lordship. There, my father name is also there. Serial number 73 lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, page 23 lordship, voter list of 1985 lordship. Uh, Serial number 87 lordship. My father name is also there lordship.
What is your age?
My age is 50 lordship, 51 lordship.
Date of
Lordship, there.
year of birth? Approximately, if you have the date of birth, if not the year of birth.
Lordship, 1974 lordship. As per school document lordship, annexer 42 lordship. Sorry,
1974.
Page 42 lordship, annexer J.
Okay. Okay. And at page 24
42.
is 1985, correct?
Yes, lordship.
Father's name is there.
Dear lordship,
Yes.
lordship, page 25 and page 27 lordship, of voter list of 1997 and 2011 lordship. My father name is dear lordship. We have lordship, serial number 767 lordship.
After 97, there is a gap,
Uh,
2011.
lordship.
Okay. Thereafter,
Thereafter, lordship, petitioner grandfather has purchased a periodic patta land lordship. Kindly see page 29 lordship.
Till date. What is the date?
Date is 1979, Lordship. 31st day of October 1979. Page 29, Lordship.
Now, these are okay. Your father has a continuous voter list.
Yes, Lordship.
You show your link with your father.
Lordship. Lordship, my father has purchased a land, Lordship, in NLC page 34, Lordship. He has also purchased a periodic patta land, Lordship.
Now, these are okay.
Okay.
You show
Lordship.
your link.
Okay. Lordship, kindly see, Lordship, school certificate, Lordship, 1987, Lordship.
Page-
Page 40, Lordship. রাজাবাড়ি সোলোগুড়ি এমি মাদ্রাসা, Lordship.
Page
Page 40, Lordship.
40.
40, Lordship.
Headmaster had come to repose.
Lordship.
He had come as report. DW?
Lordship, 4, Lordship.
Okay. Next.
Lordship, 41, Lordship, page, Lordship, high school certificate, Lordship.
We come to the original photocopy for page 42.
42, Lordship.
Okay.
Lordship,
He was also produced,
Lordship,
this headmaster,
Lordship.
as,
No, he was produced as DW4 Lordship.
no, the earlier was headmaster of ME school,
From his- Yeah, High Madrasa that was.
no?
That was High Madrasa Lordship.
That was not High Madrasa, that was ME Madrasa.
ME Madrasa Lordship.
Okay.
Oh, Madrasa.
ME Madrasa.
Oh,
And this, he was produced as DW4,
Lordship.
and this headmaster,
No, Lordship. High school headmaster was produced Lordship.
not the ME
No,
school.
no, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, page 43, Lordship, certificate of government village admin, Lordship. Page 43, Lordship.
40,
3, Lordship.
Gambura.
Gabura, Lordship.
What is the date of this? What is the date?
Date is also eligible, Lordship. He was also deposed, Lordship, as DW3, Lordship.
DW?
3, Lordship. Gabura, Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, page 45, Lordship. Lordship, petitioner father was working in Indian Railway, Lordship. Calculation sheet is there, Lordship. Date of entry in the government services, Lordship, 8/2/1972, Lordship.
Who has proved this? Who has proved this?
Nobody.
Nobody has proved this.
No.
This is petition. Now, this is of the railways. From where do you get to know?
This is also written in the Lordship, written statement also. Lordship.
No, from this particular document. Is it reflected anywhere that it is of the railways of which organization?
Lordship, it's an Indian Railway Lordship, yeah, design and station Lordship, X-Men Lordship, design and station, that,
No, that will not make this. Or X-Man means what? Okay, be that as it may, these are all pertaining to the fathers.
Lordship,
Your link with the father are only the school
school
certificate.
certificate Lordship, and
Your,
government certificate.
So your voter list with the father?
No, Lordship. During the LBO verification, Lordship, it was not, Lordship, properly, Lordship, inspect, Lordship.
No, what about your stand in the tribunal? You see, that is what, why we had asked your date of birth. You were born in the year 1974.
Yes,
That means at the time of institution,
Lordship.
when did you attain your voting age? Somewhere in 85? Oh, yeah, 95? 95. 95, 21 years. So from 95, there is not a single voters list with your father.
Lordship,
Why?
because D was DR, Lordship.
Where have you stated D is there?
In the para, Lordship. No, sorry. In the impugn order itself, Lordship.
Now, have you enclosed that voters list where your name is prefixed with D?
No, Lordship.
But you have stated.
Lordship. In the opinion, they have stated, Lordship. So petitioner and petitioner father are residing in the same place since 1965, Lordship, till date, Lordship.
So when were you marked D? Which year?
1997, Lordship.
So that was after the intensive revision.
Lordship.
So your name should have been enlisted in the voters list of 95. If you say that you were born sometime in the year 74, February 74. 95, your name should have been there.
95, that time he was in class 10, Lordship.
No, not on the 10th. No, you're on the age. If you say you're born in 1974, February, 95, you are 21 years.
Lordship.
At that time, it becomes 18 years Lordship, after 1989.
Now, that is why you are seeking 21 years, we are giving the entire benefit.
Yes, Lordship.
Let us assume that 21 years, then also 95 at least.
Yes.
When did 1921 become 18, from which year?
92.
92. So, let us see the evidence of the.
Lordship.
See the evidence of who has adduced evidence?
Also Gabura and the headmaster.
And who's number two?
Number two is the neighbor lordship.
Father is there or passed away?
Past age.
When?
Also during 2018 lordship.
Link document are very weak. Let us see the position of the headmaster and the Gambura. Where have you annexed?
No, I have not annexed lordship.
You have not annexed.
No.
How do you build up your case in the High Court? If you have not annexed those two most relevant materials as per you, how do you make out a case? See this deposition. अपने page this one sir page 40 something page 42 so 40 40
Oh.
40 খন হ'ল আপোনাৰ নহয় সেইখন ৰাজাবাৰী চৌলগুৰি এম ই মাদ্ৰাছা এখেতৰ সংক্ৰান্তত এইটো স্কুলৰ পৰা 1987 ওলাই গৈছে ডিপজিশ্যন দিছে আপোনাৰ ৰাজাবাৰী হাইস্কুলৰ হেড দিছে মাদ্ৰাছা হাইস্কুলৰ মেড্ৰেছ দিছে আৰু তেখেতে কৈছে এই স্কুল এডমিশ্যন ৰেজিষ্টাৰ which was maintained since the year of 1987. The certificate was found to be issued by one Ramzan of the headmaster by Sajidu. I have a they have not brought the counter for teacher. Ramzan was 1 to class 9 and 1 personality. You know, my school of Kitty. I have been working as a headmaster of the school since 31 May 2017. সেইখনৰ কথা কৈছে এইখন ইছ্যু কৰিছে 31/12/1994 issuing bill. No, 31/7/1995. 1995. Certificate date. 95. School registered 31/12/1994. আৰু certificate আহিছে মিস্ত্ৰী গৰাকী 2017. I was in my headmistress head of service uniform. What is the issue? What do you do?
Farmer lordship.
Data problem আছে না কিনা হবো এটা ডেটা করে হয়ে গেলে লিঙ্ক তো লিখবো না লিঙ্ক তো অলরেডি যখন সার্টিফিকেট Yes.
So that was document I have.
Hmm?
That was document I have annexed also.
What is your submission?
So. Lordship, the petitioner is residing in the same place, Lordship. Since Lordship, I have annexed Lordship, the voter list from 1965 to 70, Lordship, and he was working in Northeast Frontier Railway, Lordship, as per the statement of
No, these are all the documents of the father.
Lordship.
We want a link with the father.
The school
Father's
certificate,
nationality is not the question before us.
Lordship.
You have a link in the manner of a school certificate, two school certificate, one was not proved. the high school has been proved, and one GB certificate, Gambura certificate.
Gambura certificate.
And both of them have adduced evidence.
Lordship.
Okay. Anything else you'd like to hear, Mr.
No, Lordship.
Sharma? You take the record.
Yes.
You have to read the evidence of the Gambura and the. Most important factor of government servants. You have not enclosed the written statement.
Yes, enclosed Lordship.
Enclosed.
No, Lordship.
Yes.
Written statement, Lordship, page,
Five
And
zero.
type copy 47 is the type copy.
page 46, Lordship.
Okay.
May I go through Lordship?
Yes.
WS. Then the applicant is the opposite party and of the marginally noted case. That the allegation leveled against the opposite party by the complainant is that opposite party is a foreigner and he had illegally entered India within the period of 1966 to 71 from Pakistan and living in village Rajabari, PS Batodraba district, Nagaon. Assam totally fake and baseless, and the applicant opposite party is an Indian citizen by birth. That the allegation leveled against the opposite party by the complainant is that opposite party is a foreigner and he had entered in India after 25/3/1971 from Bangladesh and have been living in India in village Rajabari, PS Batodraba district, Nagaon, Assam are totally false and baseless, as the applicant opposite party is an Indian citizen by birth. Then the opposite party is an Indian citizen by birth. The opposite party's father, namely Abdul Hakim, name is enlisted in the voter list of 1965. Assam Legislative Assembly constituency, 86 number thing constituency having serial number so and so, son of so and so. That the opposite party is not a foreigner. The opposite party's father's name enlisted in the voter list of 1966, and also the father of the opposite party was railway employee of NF Railway. This is
Where?
specific statement.
Where?
Para 5 of the page 48. Specific statement. Also, this is that the opposite party is not a foreigner. The opposite party father's name enlisted in the voter list of 1966, and also the father of the opposite party was a railway employee of NF Railway.
He has not stated where he was born, when he was born.
Yes. In those things are missing. As those are very much important. Date of birth, place of birth, name of his parents, mentioned as his father's name has been enlisted in the voter list of 1966. But they are totally silent about mother's name, grandfather's name, if regarding any brothers and sisters. He has or not, that things are totally missing. And Lordship, one important aspect why I'm saying about para 5 Lordship. His date of entry in the government service, Lordship, page 45, second line. Serial number 2, date of entry in the government service,
Yes.
3 to 1972.
He is 45.
Yes, Lordship. Serial number 2, date of birth, father's document, Lordship.
Yes.
And Lordship, here Lordship in school certificate, Lordship.
Hmm. How does it matter?
Yes, Lordship. I'm saying about that, Lordship. That Lordship. Hmm? 58, Lordship, page 58. And Lordship will kindly see page 57 from page 57.
Yes.
OPW 4 is 4, paragraph 4, Lordship.
Hmm.
OPW 4 is 1. Nasima Sultana, wife of Abdul Hussain, resident of village Balikata under PS Juria district Nagaon. During course of oral evidence, she contended that she is serving as headmistress of Rajabari Sologuri High School under PS Botodroba district Nagaon since the year of 13/5/2017. This age school was established in the year of 1981. She had brought the school admission register, which is maintained in the school since the year 1987. The certificate was issued by the headmaster Sajidur Rahman in the name of the proceedee Ramzan. She had identified the signature of Saidur Rahman. She had not submitted the counterfolio of the certificate. The proceedee was a student of class 10 as per school record. She knows the OP and his residence is nearby in the school premises where she has been working. She knows the proceedee is not an illegal migrant. She also knows his father, Abdul Hakim, who was an employee of NF Railway. The photocopy of the school admission register is submitted on being shown. The original, which is marked as Exhibit 3 and Exhibit 3.1, is the cover page of the admission register, and Exhibit 3.2 is the relevant page of the said register, which bears the name of Muhammad Ramzan Ali proceedee. During the course of cross-examination, she testified that the proceedee's date of birth is 1/2/1974 as per school register, but she has not submitted any documents relating to date of birth maintained as a school record. She further testified that the said admission register of high school, Rajabari Sologuri High School, does not bear any certificate of the school headmaster in the first page, and the said register and bears no mention of serial number in the pages. She does not know anything regarding the number pages in the said register. She did not know the opposite party to be the to be a student of the said school. She was appointed in the year 2000. She testified that as per said register, the occupation of Abdul Hakim is cultivation.
In the
But-
register,
Yes, Lordship, as per said school admission.
but in the
register.
certificate, nothing is there written. as such.
But at that time when Prosody got admission in the said school, then person concerned, father of the Prosody was a government employee under NF Railway Lordship, as per this, because he is appointed in the year of 1972. And Prosody's date of birth something about 1974. Lordship. So these persons are not same in one person, Lordship. This Ramzan Ali and Ramzan Ali, on whose behalf the headmistress come before the tribunal to depose, Lordship, those are not same in one person. So, Lordship, apart from that, Lordship, if that school certificate goes, Lordship, there is nothing to link with her projected father, Abdul Hakim. And as per
What about the Gambura?
Gabra oral testimony, it was not based on any record law.
Let us see what he has stated. Take the records.
সঁচা কম, মই ওপৰ ডুমডুমীয়া আৰু ৰাজাবাৰী গ্ৰেণ্টৰ চৰকাৰী গাঁওবুঢ়া তেওঁৰ অপৰপক্ষক মই চিনো, তেওঁৰ not so readable, Lordship. ককা দেউতাৰ নাম আব্দুল হিচাপে 1966 চনৰ পৰা ভোট দিছে জানো পঢ়িব পাৰে নেকি? পঢ়ক পাৰে নেকি?
Mr. Alam, if you can read it loud so that we can also hear.
Yes, Lordship.
Basic report. Of opinions of page 57.
Lordship, regarding Gaubra Lordship, if I coming to the opinion Lordship, it was written there Lordship.
57.
OPW 3 is one Forest Chandra Nath, who is the government Gaubra of village Upor Dumdumia during course of oral evidence. He contended that he is the government Gaubra of village Upor Dumdumia and Rajabari Grand. He knows the procedure and his residence at village Rajabari. Abdul Hakim is his father. His grandfather's name was Abdul Keras. His name appeared in the voter list since the year of 1966. Procedure Ramzan has 9 brothers and sisters. The name of Abdul Hakim appeared in the voter list since the year 1965. Hakim has 3 brothers. Exhibit 7 is the voter list of 1970, wherein one Abdul Kadir and Bannat Bibi appeared. In Exhibit 7, the name of Prosidi paternal uncles appeared. Exhibit 4 is his. Exhibit 4.1 is his signature. Police did not interrogate anything about the procedure Ramzan. He is not an illegal migrant. During course of cross-examination, he testified that since the year 1999, he has been serving as government Gaura. His father was also a government Gaura of the said village. Procedure Ramzan is younger to him. Ramzan studied up to class 10. His residence is at a distance of 1.5 kilometers from his residence. Proceed's mother is alive. The name of the brothers of Hakim are Hamid Jalil. They have landed property of the periodic patta. Ramzan has 7 brothers. They are namely Joinal Abedin, Abdul Mutaleb, Kalam, Niwas, Mutin, and Ramzan and Akbar. Proceed is not an illegal migrant. That much only. And on what basis that Gaubra deposed, it was not mentioned, Lordship. Only one aspect is that Lordship during Lordship evidence, Lordship, the proceeding concerned has not exhibited any document, Lordship. Only DW2, Lordship, if it is DW2, who is a neighbor, Lordship, he exhibited the documents, school certificate. Yes, Lordship. He has not exhibited any documents, Lordship. Right. What? Yes, Lordship. Nothing is there in the evidence of DW1.
And neighbor had proved the.
Yes, yes, Lordship.
Voter list.
1966 voter list. Yes, Lordship. Everything.
DW2 neighbor,
Yes, Lordship.
is he related?
No.
What has he stated starting line?
Ramzan Alik Sinu, Teor Kokak Sinu, Abdul Hakim. তেওঁলোক
Abdul Hakim is not the
Yes,
grandfather,
but-
it's the father.
but it is right like
Deotak.
it
Or
should be Deotak, but here it was mentioned as Kokak Lordship. হয়নে চাওকচোন দাদা তেওঁ ককাক হয়নে
ককা দেউতাক
ককা দেউতাক তেওঁলোকৰ ঘৰ মোৰ ঘৰৰ ওচৰতে সৰুৰে পৰা তেওঁলোকক চিনি পাওঁ ককা দেউতা দেখিছো তেওঁ ৰাজাবাৰী হাইস্কুলত পঢ়িছিল প্ৰদৰ্শক এইটো কি দিছে no 31/8
1974.
প্ৰদৰ্শক 1966 চনৰ ভোটাৰ তালিকা তেওঁলোকৰ নাম আছে প্ৰদৰ্শক 2 স্কুলৰ প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ 2 আৰু 3 প্ৰদৰ্শক 4 গাঁওবুঢ়াৰ প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ everything has been brought by this person lordship neighbor it is not by the concerned proceeding so lordship if those things are those lordship there will be nothing lordship and lordship
But in the written statement, he has mentioned this about the Gambura certificate and the certificate by the headmaster of the school. At paragraph 6 of
Yes.
the written statement.
he has mentioned but
It has
he
not
has
come
not
on the
exhibited
ground.
lordship but he has not exhibited lordship he has to exhibit lordship
No, it is okay. He has to exhibit, but it is not out of the blue. There was a mention specific. Gambura, the village Upar Dundunin and Rajdabari government HS Badodraba had given their respective certificates to the opposite party in order to bring the identity of Muhammad Ramzan Ali as a citizen of India, and moreover, his father was also well known to him.
these are his document lordship how neighbor can exhibit lordship
No, school.
yes lordship that was mentioned lordship
School is by the headmaster, and Gambura is by these two. Others, the voter list, yes, you may have a point. Voter lists are not exhibited by him.
yes lordship and school certificate is his certificate lordship not neighbor certificate lordship.
Which one?
School certificate
No,
good-
those are not by the neighbor. School
Lordship.
certificates are by the
Headmaster.
oh yes lordship
by the respective headmaster and the
headmaster,
Gambura.
yes lord
Those are okay. The author of the certificate has deposed.
yes lordship
See, we are not on the voter list will come into consideration when there is a link established.
yes lordship
Link
Only
document
the-
are these two documents.
yes lordship
Gambura and the
school certificate
school certificate. Both the Gambura and the school certificate has come, Gambura and the headmistress had deposed.
yes lordship
Now their depositions are to be considered.
yes lordship and honor
But one concerning problem would be why the petitioner does not have a single voter list.
yes
He had become an eligible voter in the year 1994 at least,
yes lordship actually 1992
92.
and a process of intensive revision
97.
was done 97 yes lordship so his name should be there lordship not a single document lordship and lordship one important aspect lordship he school certificate exhibit 3 lordship it was issued on 18/10/2011 lordship and he left the school on 31/12/1987 so lordship Supreme Court has said in this regard that belated issuance of certificate lordship Regarding what?
No, ma'am, Mister, that we have seen, that will not come into, but that first certificate has not been proved.
Yes,
That
Lord.
is Radhabari ME Madrasa.
Yes, that
But-
was not proved, Lord.
That was not proved. That.
Nice, this certificate.
This
was
certificate
page 40.
was given immediately. 94 he left school, 95 the certificate was given.
That was July 1995.
We have seen those.
Oh, yes, yes.
Come to page 42. He left school on 31/12/1994 and the certificate was given on 31/7/1995.
Yes.
And the ME school is concerned, it is not proved, so it is beyond the scope of any consideration. Gongpura, you cannot read the deposition.
Yes, Lord.
Can you read? Not readable.
Not readable. And Lordship.
Has the
what-
impugned
oh,
opinion dealt with the deposition of the Gongpura?
Yes, Lordship.
Let us read at least that part.
Page 57, Lordship. Paragraph 3.
This 58 এর পাসপোর্ট নিয়ে দেওয়া রিলেভেন্টে পেয়েছিল এখন ক্যালকুলেশন শিখ দিলে যদি কামে পরিস্থিতি রেলওয়ের এখন নন সার্টিফিকেট পাবে এখন না রেলওয়ের নাম লেখা আছে আর নামও লেখা আছে না সিগনেচার তার স্টাম্প আছে
Regarding
What about the Gongpura's evidence? Where is it?
it is not based on record, Lordship. And regarding Gaubura's evidence, Lordship, our High Court has seen several decisions,
No,
Lordship.
we will go to the decision.
Yes,
First, let us examine what is the Gongpura said. At paragraph 3,
yes.
Gongpura. Oh, he had joined as a Gongpura in 1999.
Yes, Lordship.
Written statement, has he mentioned about any siblings?
No, nothing has been
Not
mentioned.
much.
Okay,
And Gaumura's certificate also exhibited by this person, Lordship.
who?
OPW two.
Two, not OPW three.
No. প্রদর্শক সারি গাঁওবুঢ়া প্রমাণপত্ৰ গাঁওবুঢ়াৰ
Oh. He has not proved his certificate.
no গাঁওবুঢ়াৰ প্ৰমাণপত্ৰ handwriting is not so good, Lordship. Not readable, Lordship.
Gonna go over it.
প্ৰদৰ্শক কিমান আছে এইখন প্ৰদৰ্শক কিমান আছিলে নহয় সেইখন গাঁওবুঢ়া চাৰ্টিফিকেটখন yes
Original. No. Okay. In exhibit 4 has the OPW 3
yes
identified his signature?
yes, Lordship.
He has.
Yes.
Where is it stated? Because the certificate is proved by OPW 2. If you come to the impugned opinion at page 3, the neighbor who had deposed as OPW 2 had proved 5 documents, including exhibit 4, the government Gaunpura certificate. Come to
Yes.
page 56.
Yes, Lordship.
So this certificate was not proved by the Gaunpura but by the neighbor,
Yes, Lordship.
correct?
Yes,
But
Lordship.
in his
The- this is exhibited by OPW 2
that
and
is the
yes,
neighbor,
Lordship.
neighbor, that is what we are trying, but did the Gaunpura in his deposition identified his signature in exhibit 4? He has not.
Yes.
written, no?
Yes, Lordship. He has identified, Lordship. Para 3, page 57.
Where?
Page 57, para 3.
Okay, okay. Is okay, okay. Is his signature. 341. When did the proceedee depose? Date
Lordship 9919.
9919 and OPW 2?
OPW 2. Same date, Lordship, 9919.
Same day.
Yes, Lordship.
বুঝি না কবে।
OPW 3, 4/11/19. These documents are collected by OPW 2, Lordship. These documents are collected by OPW 2, 3, OPW 2, neighbor, not by the proceeding, Lordship. And
No, not collected, proved. Who collected, how do you know?
because it was placed by
No, it
PW
was,
2, Lordship. That is why I am saying.
no, it was
it
introduced
is
by
the-
PW 2 and proved, but
No,
those are mentioned in the written statement.
Yes, it may be mentioned, but it is his duty to place the.
No, no, a matter would be slightly different if there was no mention at all. Somehow OPW 2 comes in and introduces document. Here there is a mention, why it was not presented by OPW 1, the proceeding, and by the OPW, and we have also asked you the date. It is in the same date.
Same date.
Had it been after a period, then somebody gets wiser and through another, but there is a mention in the written statement, it was produced and exhibited on the same date, but by a different witness.
Yes, Lordship.
That will not make the exhibit, we cannot discard, it will be still considered. Now we have to appreciate in the context of the facts and circumstances.
And what Gaubra has,
Exhibit 6 is the original proved. Mr. Kindly see exhibit 6. Is
So you take it.
that calculation sheet, is it available in the, it has to be available in the records. What is that?
this is school admission register. Exhibit. It is here, Lordship.
Any seal, stamp, rubber stamp?
No. Exhibit 6. It
Is
was not
anything-
proved. It was not written as compared to.
Is anything discernible that the document has originated from the railways?
কি বিষয় আছে?
X-Men. ভালো যে সেটা
CPX. Design and station, STN station. No, not specific, clearly not given here, Lordship. No. Below seal is here, Lordship, NF Railway, Landing.
NF railway is there, where?
Below, Lordship.
There is some seal.
একদম bottom, Lordship.
Head office.
এটা তো এটা সিলিংশন হয়েছে বাকি তো সিলিংশন তাদের কিছু মিলে এটা তো সিলিংশন আছে এটা ইয়া মুশকিল আছে
See the, what is the discussion at page 57? Last part. And we also will come to the findings. He has mentioned, learned member has mentioned at page 57, no, 57, the photocopy of this, sorry, yes, 58, no? Sorry, 58. 58,
Yes.
last part. Moreover, have you found 6 line from bottom? Moreover,
Yes.
please read.
Moreover, the proceedee has submitted a pension-related paper made as exhibit number 6, but said document has not been duly proved as per prescribed provision of law, and that was mere an important calculation sheet, whereas the proceedee has not submitted any authentic pension book in the name of his father. Mere making a statement is not considered to be proof of any fact, but it has to be proved as per prescribed provision of law by adducing authentic records oblique documents. The proceedee failed to prove that his father was an employee of NF Railway. This said fact has to be proved by adducing reliable and admissible documents, but the proceedee failed to submit reliable documentary evidence to substantiate his evidence. In this context, Honorable Guwahati High Court Bench Rosminara Begum versus held that material facts pleaded would have to be proved by adducing cogent, reliable, and admissible evidence. And Lordship, what Gabura has deposed the only basis of his knowledge, Lordship.
No, see, even if we give all the benefit of doubt so far as this railway thing is concerned,
Yeah.
the projected father was an employee of the railways.
Yeah.
But the most important fact which needs to be proved and which is the most important aspect of our discussion is his link with his father.
Yes, yes, that is missing, Lordship.
Link with his father.
Mm.
Best link to corroborate is a voter list along with his father and has to prove that this is my father.
Yes, yes.
Now that voter list is missing. Even if voter list was there, additionally burden would have still been there.
Yeah.
That he has to prove that this is my father.
Yes, Lordship.
Now that is not there.
No.
He becomes eligible to vote sometime in the year 1992.
Yes, Lord.
Intensive revision was of 1997.
Seven.
He says that there is a VD. He has a marks
Mm.
prefixed with D.
Mm.
The electoral rolls could have been still produced before this court.
Yes, Lordship.
Maybe it's not a certified copy.
Yes, Lordship.
At least his father's name would have been there.
Yes, Lordship.
Those are not there. So there is no explanation from 92. Why from 1992 there is not a single voters list
Yes,
with his father.
yes.
In fact, there is no voters list at all.
Yes, Lord.
He may not
There is no-
vote,
Yes.
but his name has to
Mm, yes,
appear
yes,
in the
Lord.
electoral rolls.
Yes, Lord.
One may choose not to vote.
There is no link at all, Lord.
So the only thing is the school certificate where again railway and discrepancy. You have yourself introduced the railway thing, you should not have, could not have, should not have done.
Yes, Lord.
He has put in the railway thing.
Mm.
School certificate says cultivator,
Cultivator.
the register,
Yes, yes. Lord.
school register.
Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord.
That has been proved. School register, I think it's proved.
Yes, yes. Lord.
What is the number,
Yes, yes. It's
school
true.
register?
Yes, Lord. Yes.
Exhibit what?
Exhibit 3. Exhibit 3, Lord.
What has been written? Which part cultivator has been written?
Ramzan Ali, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is
What has been written?
Ramzan Ali,
Here.
Mohammad Abdul Hakim, Professional Cultivation, Village Rajabari, Post Office Solpuri. But he was in government employee at that time, Lordship.
Okay, we'll consider. Anything else, anyone? So Datta would like to say anything? You stood up, therefore we thought that you'd like to say anything. What are your views in this case? Huh? No views. Do you know what case is going on? You don't even have the brief. Huh? Which tribunal? Which tribunal? Which one? Nalbari, Bongaigaon, Sonitpur. We thought that you were taking keen interest in the case. Okay. We'll consider a reserve the judgment. নাম বিলাক লৈ ল'ব হা M. Alam, then G. Sharma, Miss S. Kotoki, ECI, P. Sharma, State Council, and A.K. Dotto, CGC. FT,
No, your lordship,
then
read petition, your lordship, for compensation, your lordship. The petitioner before your lordship is the wife, your lordship. Her husband is a surrendered member of the band Alpha Outfit. He was picked up in connection with a case. FIR is on page number 21, your lordship.
Before lordship, but with lordship's permission, kindly see the last order,
yes,
24,
we've seen this.
2410.
Yes, seen this, yes.
Lordship, the scan copy of the Bokota PS case 11 of 24 I have received that.
Yes, yes.
And the Xerox.
This is, who is it? Bokota Nemuguri, who is district?
Sipsagar.
Sipsagar, your lordship.
Hibagor.
Sipsagar.
Okay. So what is your prayer now?
No, I have received the case diary, I have. And the second paragraph, lordship has directed us to submit a photocopy of the case diary, that is Bokota 12 of 24. We have submitted a Xerox copy to the court master in court number 3, but in the record, I have not seen the record, the Xerox copy with the record, court record.
আছে নেকি নাই?
In the file,
Okay.
in court number 3 with the court master, we have.
I think
made
next
xerox.
week, court number regular bench will be there.
That we have given.
Mhm.
Otherwise, I have a soft copy, my lord. I can submit again if necessary.
No, what was the purpose of getting a photocopy for the benefit of the courts?
Court.
Convenience.
Honorable court has said that the original to be returned so that.
Yes, yes, we have seen that in third paragraph.
Lordship, that
You
we
can
will-
try on Monday.
my lord,
Monday, the regular bench will be there.
Lordship.
Okay,
Monday, some difficulties. Your
Tuesday.
Lordship, not in this month, your lordship, in December, your lordship.
December.
Lordship.
Next week, is December only.
After first week, your lordship, after first week of December.
After first week.
11
Why?
11 not going on.
You are going to Hornbill.
Your lordship.
It seems so.
No, I hello money. No, I hello.
Eighth,
8.
eighth is okay.
Lordship.
Then we'll say, okay, third, Miss F. Hussain, learned counsel for the petitioner. Also heard Sri D. Nath, learned senior advocate Assam, who however has informed that the photocopies of the case diary which were handed over to the court are not found to be readily available. Full stop. Para?
And the
In
other
the-
diary I have received.
Hmm?
Other diary I have received.
He has also informed that so far as the scanned copies of the case diary of Bokota Nemuguri PS case number 11 of 2024 is concerned, the same has been received by him. Scanned copies which are the same have been received by him. Mr. Para, in view of the above, consideration of this matter is deferred, and on request, the same is to be listed on 8th of December.
8.
Oblige, your lordship.
Ex parte opinion, my lord, that is 47.
Next party. Yes, who's there? Home. Please call Mr. G. Sharma or Mr. Payang, or whoever. Or Miss A. Verma. You contested or not?
No, my lord, expert, no
No, no,
notice
no.
was received.
Did you file your written statement?
No notice was received, my lord.
No notice was received.
Yes, my lord. That is the count, because the finding which is written by the Gaon Buddha that I am not the resident of that village, it is totally contrary to my records, my lord. Subsequently, since 85, firstly, I become eligible.
What is the Jarikarak reports?
According to Gaon,
Were any reports
but
submitted
not
by the
found in the above
Jarikarak?
mentioned address, hence he cannot arrest it. Police has filed this report, above mentioned proceeding. Accordingly, Gaon Buddha issued a certificate in the name of Lal Banu Nisa. After going through the record, it is seen that proceeding Lal Banu Nisa left the village without informing concerned authority, as proceeding is the D voter in the year of 97. And she is well aware of the fact that she is a D voter. Hence, the ex parte order passed against the proceeding.
Now, what about the service of notice? How was it when it was found that she was not available at her last known place of residence? What recourse was adopted by the process server?
No, nothing.
Those are silent.
Yes, my lord. And since, my lord, 85, I am residing that very village. Up till 24, the last voter list, my name is.
What is your age?
Present is sometime 61 or something like 61, 62.
Where is your colleague on the other side? Mr. Sharma, please inform Mr. Any of the standing of. It is
I am claiming lineage to my father, whose name appears in the 1966 voter list.
If you are arguing on the ex parte part, we'll not
Yes,
enter
sir.
into the.
Yes, sir.
That is up to you, but we have to, you have
No,
to,
just to.
we have to be satisfied that it was indeed an ex parte order
Yes, sir.
which you are not aware. If it appears from the record that you are aware and you chose not to contest, then
It will be different matter, yes.
কিছু দিলেও ঠান্ডা লাগে নিদিলে গরম রেগুলেটর নাই আমার
Then the expertise, only on see whether there is expertise or not, that is to be confirmed. For this, we can corona that we should have 3 বার 4 বার উঠে গেছে। Regulation will answer. The expert has to confirm. Item 4.
Mr. Pine will be appearing.
Yes.
Kindly go through the records, is not urging anything on the merits. He's saying that he, in spite of the proceedee staying in the same place, there is a report that she was not available. Gabura gave a certificate. If the version is corroborated with the records, then he may make out a case for remanding.
Yes.
কিন্তু এটাই প্রবলেম হয়েছে আপনারা দেখুন না কি বানালাম কেন হয়তো খুলিব কেন মইটোর একটা কভার লেগে রয়েছে
These are very vegetable condition পাওয়া তার পিছনে মোট register same address সাথে মেইল নাম লাগা আছে
When did you come to learn, Mr. Jalan?
in the month of October, sometime in the October 24 only, my lord.
How?
That in my additional affidavit, I have stated, my lord, that is found. It was made known to the village level officer, informed the son of the petitioner, one Mr. Lalsan Mia, were in the market only. That in connection with this case, Cornelius Tribunal's case, police is searching the mother. There are two of my additional affidavit.
You came to, this is expert opinion is of 6/7/17.
17. Yes, my lord. I am the resident, and my categorical statement is that I am the resident of that particular village, that particular house, till date, since 85, since the date of my marriage, my lord. And my,
Which village is this?
Ghogubari,
Huh?
Ghogubari village, in the district of Patpeta.
You claim that you are staying there since 85
Yes, my, since.
and it was not found.
Yes, my lord, that is the report. Still my name is, I am the resident of that village, till date. And in all subsequent voter list, till 24, my name has
What
been,
kind of village is this? Invisible village? You say you are there, Gambura says that there is nothing, no person like this.
even my ration card and all, same address, my lord, till date.
Phantom. Lady Phantom. Unseen. Yes, Mr.
What transparency the record reveals, my lord, because my learned friend, first my learned friend is saying, my lord, it may be correct, but I don't know, because that is his person, that was not there in the trial court, tribunal, my lord. The tribunal record says, my lord, there was a report from the, my lord, officer in charge of Borpok police station, as well as the a Gambura certificate is annexed. They are. my
No,
lord,
we'll go by the mode which is prescribed
Yes,
for service of notice.
yes.
And even if we interfere and remand, then we'll fix a date
Yes, yes.
and along with 314.
Yeah.
But we wanted to be satisfied whether the projection made that it was indeed an ex parte order is correct or not.
Yes, correct.
Okay, we pass orders here. Heard. 3. Jalan, G. Jalan, Learned Counsel for the petitioner also heard. So, so fine, A.I. Ali, then P. Sharma and A.K. Datta. of CGC. By means of this petition instituted under Article 226 of the Constitution of India, the petitioner has put to challenge an opinion dated 6/7/2017 passed by the learned Foreigners Tribunal number 8 Borpeta in FT case number so-and-so arising out of so-and-so. Full stop. By the impugned opinion, the petitioner has been declared a foreigner post 1971. Full stop. Para. Sri Jalan, the Learned Counsel, has submitted that the principal ground of challenge is that the opinion in question has been passed without giving any reasonable opportunity to the petitioner. Full stop. Full stop. He has submitted that admittedly the opinion is an ex parte one and it proceeded without coming to a conclusion that the notice was indeed served upon the petitioner. Full stop. He has submitted that the petitioner has been residing in the locality since the year 1985 after her marriage and also presently staying there. And full stop. However, at no point of time any notice of the proceeding was served upon her, or she was made aware of the same. Full stop. He has submitted that only recently, in the year 2024, some information was received regarding the impugned opinion, whereafter the petitioner could collect the necessary documents and thereafter had instituted the present challenge. Full stop. He has submitted that there are adequate evidence to prove her citizenship if a proper chance is granted to her. Para. Three, Payeng, the learned standing council, Home and NRC, Home Department and NRC has submitted that attempts were made to serve notice upon the petitioner and not finding her to be residing in the last known place, comma, a report was given by the concerned police station as well as,
Process server.
no, that police station says,
My lord, after when notice could not be served, there was warrant of arrest issued.
okay,
Warrant of arrest police.
okay, report was given by the process server, full stop. The said report is also supported by a certificate of the Gaon Bura, full stop. He has also added that subsequently warrant of arrest was issued and only thereafter the present application has been filed, full stop. He denies that the petitioner has been able to make out a case that she was wholly unaware of the proceeding and had evaded the process. Full stop. Para. The learned counsel for the other respondents have endorsed the submission of the learned standing counsel. Para. The contention advanced by the learned counsel for the rival parties have been duly considered. Full stop. We have also perused the original records which were requisitioned by this court vide its order dated 6/12/2024. Without going into the merits of the case with regard to the aspect whether the petitioner is a foreigner or not, comma, we have examined the records on the aspect of service of notice, full stop. Where is the record?
As per the rules, my lord, if he is not found, it should
So
be.
we will put that.
Yes.
We have noted that the process server has had submitted a report on not given the date. A report on the back side, on the reverse side of the notice dated on notice dated 7/3/2016. Full stop. As per the said report. Bandano, Namor, Manu, Tony, Loke, Loke, কি করুন whereby it has been stated that the proceeding was not found at the last known place of her residence. Full stop. He has also stated that that the Gaumbura, the concerned village, was also consulted in this regard. Full stop. Para. The aspect of service of notice has been laid down in the foreigners within bracket tribunals bracket close order 1964, and the relevant part of the said order is extracted herein below. 3F. Full stop. Huh? The requirement of law is to affix the copy of the notice on the outer door or some other conspicuous part of the house in which the proceedee ordinarily resides or last resided or reportedly resided or personally worked for gain. Full stop. The same is thereafter required to be returned to return to the foreigners tribe, to the concerned foreigners tribunal from which it was issued with a report of such compliance. Full stop. Para. Though the aspect of affixing the copy of notice has been put in a broad manner, including a place where the proceedee had reportedly resided, comma, the aspect of serving notice through the Gaumbura is not specifically mentioned in the rules, in the orders. Full stop. Full stop. It is para. It is a settled position of law that unless a prescribed procedure is followed, comma, no other procedure can be adopted. Full stop. In this regard, comma, one may gainfully refer to the observations of the Honorable Privy Council in the case of King Emperor versus Nazir Ahmed, reported in 1936 PC, AIR 1936 PC 253, wherein the following has been laid down. Huh? I'll give you the thing. Para. In view of the above and the requirement of law as quoted above, in view of the aforesaid discussion and the requirement of law which has been quoted above, comma, we are of the opinion that the prescribed procedure regarding service of notice has not been followed in the present case. Full stop. We are therefore of the view that the petitioner is liable to be given an opportunity to contest the case. Full stop. The writ petition accordingly stands allowed. Full stop. Send back the records. Full stop. Para. We, however, direct the petitioner to appear before the concerned tribunal on today is 25th. 25th? 25th. On 9th of December 2025, along with her written statement. And on such appearance, comma, such written statement would be accepted by the learned tribunal. And from the said date, the tribunal would take charge of the proceedings. Full stop. The proceedings would be the learned tribunal would also ensure, would also complete the proceedings in accordance with law and in terms of Order 3 within bracket 14 of the orders of 1964.
One minute, the provision is 35F, 3F, not 3F, 35F.
35F. Okay,
Yes.
35F. Yes, you're correct. Three five F, huh? Help us, I look at it. What follow? What report is sent back immediately? Send back the record 4 3. I got Jaipur. Written statement along with a copy of the order. You present the written statement along with a copy of the order. You give a copy of the order also along with your written statement.
This is.
May I please, your worships? Worships, some difficulty, another my part had better about to call in at 2 p.m. First half it may not be completed, so if possible, take up tomorrow or day after tomorrow.
No. We'll have
I-
this today itself.
Because of
After your part is over, there will take up.
about to reach at.
You finish your part, then you come here.
I am, otherwise I am.
That
ready.
matter will be adjourned. We have been informed. Other side
Yesterday
will take
also, I
adjournment.
was on leg with matter.
Other side will take adjournment.
Court itself fixed to their take up.
You see that matter will be adjourned. You come immediately to this court. We'll have it this in the second half. 18 matter, no adjournment. Yes, next.
The second, that problem is because of
We'll
that,
accommodate you.
or take up to.
We'll take it up, not at 2 o'clock. We'll give you time. We'll accommodate you
Lordships.
in the second half. Is it a mistake? Is it appeal?
In this matter, I played for 2 weeks time, Lordship. Mr. K. Gogoi has been arguing this matter, and due to personal difficulty, he is not present today, Lordship. 9 and 10, Lordship.
9 and 10, yes, state's appeal or what?
Lordship, he taken.
And the other one,
Other one is.
where Mr. Chaudhary is appearing?
Yes, 10 is, I am pertaining 10 lordship.
You are with Mr. Chaudhary?
Yes,
You are on the same side or what?
yes, same side lordship.
And you are for the writ petitioner?
The writ petition.
Private respondent as well as the state has
Yes.
come up in appeal.
Yes. But if there is an urgency in
We are
this
also
case,
representation lordship. We are also in the representation lordship. It is also representation lordship.
You are also writ petitioner.
they are for the other writ petition, and they both are challenging the order which is in our favor.
Your writ petition was against them, perhaps?
Yes.
There are two writ petitions.
Yes, sir.
So about 4 or 5 was disposed of in this common order lordship.
Okay, when do you have? He has some urgency.
Yes, Lordship, after 2 weeks in, Lordship.
You fix a date then. Okay. A prayer for adjournment has been made on behalf of Sri K. Gogoi.
Okay, go.
Learned, he appears as what? Education Department.
Lordship.
Learned sending counsel, Education Department, who appears for the appellants.
Lordship.
However, the learned counsel for the respondent writ petitioner has expressed some urgency. Para? Considering the above, while these these matters are adjourned, the same are directed to be listed on when?
After 2 3 weeks lordship, we have also make some,
2 weeks.
yes, lordship. There is some law point is involved lordship. We have to also study here.
Huh?
Law policy is involved lordship. We have also some studies. We need.
You have to study how many days
Lordship,
for law point?
The issue is.
How many days, how many weeks, how many years?
No. Let me 3 years left. I will.
Not 3 weeks. Law point you need to study within 2 hours.
Is not, is something is critical lordship.
You press a button in the internet, everything comes out. You put the question,
Trying lordship.
trying.
Yes, lordship.
AI has failed.
Not a yellow lordship.
Then? AI will not fail. You put it, you should press the right button. When we'll fix a date. He's got some urgency. We'll have it on 9th of December. 9th, Tuesday,
Maybe 10 or 11 lordship.
11th,
11.
or 10th also is possible. 10th, 10 December.
10 is Wednesday.
Hmm?
10 is Wednesday.
So Wednesday you are not, you'll not hear, you'll not come.
Welcome.
Then,
Hearing the asked. Hearing.
let's see.
Okay.
10th.
My lord, can it be taken up at 2 o'clock? My lord, my senior is on election in another court.
What is this, mister? What case? Regarding what?
Regarding victim compensation, my lord.
Compensation.
Victim compensation.
We have paid, government paid 5 lakh rupees.
Victim compensation, Honorable Supreme Court has is very strictly almost issued strictures. These matters should not come to the courts. It should be disposed of in the trial stage. They should not be unnecessarily burdened to come up to the court for seeking victim compensation. Part of the scheme immediately should be given. Of course, in appropriate cases. It's not desired that one needs to come to the writ court to seek victim compensation. It's a part of the scheme.
Already, my lord, 5 lakh already paid.
What is this prescribed amount?
26 November 2020.
What is the prescribed amount?
No,
Is it more than 5 lakhs?
my lord.
Let my senior address your lordship, my lord.
Okay.
At
Ask
2
him to come at 2 o'clock, okay? We'll may not have many matters left.
The Mahasav Council also necessary.
The Mahasa will not, state will make payment through the Mahasa. Let them be present. Victim compensation. Recently there is a judgment. Supreme Court has come very heavily.
Yes.
Should be disposed of at the trial stage immediately. Yes, next.
Obliged, my lord.
Lordship, kindly pass over for time being.
Timing. What is the matter, madam? What is the matter about?
Foreigners.
Foreigners. Which country? Singapore. Should know about the facts a little bit. Timing, my timing. For whom? Whom are you making a mention? Who is your senior?
Ji Bora.
Okay, we'll have it in the post class session. Yes. The Bora?
Well.
And Bora is also doing FT matters.
My lord,
Since when?
sometimes,
Sometimes.
if there is a good case, then
You want to say that yours is a good case?
my lord. Why not?
Perhaps a good case.
My lord.
Doesn't appear to be a good case.
Yes, your lordship.
Okay, we'll start it after post lunch. No point hearing for 2 minutes. By which tribunal?
My tasteful man.
Tejpur.
Man.
How many witnesses?
Witnesses, my lord. There are 6, I think.
6 witnesses. What is your age?
Age is, my lord. Date of register 5185.
You said you had a good case. You don't know your age.
5185.
What do you do?
My lord, today itself.
No, what do you do?
I am a housewife, my lord.
A lady?
Yes, my lord.
Okay.
Father, grandfather, all are in there.
Link?
Yes, everything is there.
Okay, we'll consider. Let us come here. 2 o'clock.
আচ্ছা।
Now you are seeking victim compensation or what? Custodial death compensation. Your colleague. Your colleague, your associated said victim compensation. Oh, that's a different matter than custodial. Death. That is custodial death. Custody doesn't mean inside the jail or in the lockup. Custody means within their custody. It can be anywhere. So is there any particular amount which you are seeking? So let us see those judgments. Mr. Hazarika, who would be appearing for the state? You would be appearing. Do not, okay. Paragraph 14, 1-4. Sixty-four means no, the invocation of the public remedy law that is there, but you are also bringing in the aspect of taking the MSCT. Where, in which case? Okay, please. Hmm. 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 But these are cases of the victims were victims of fire tragedy. Kindly show us those cases. Because in the case of Nilapati Behera, everything has been explained, but said that these are unliquidated damages. It cannot be quantified. It cannot be, it's which case? No, where in cases of custodial death? Two is of judgment of which court? Madras High Court. No, you saw the Supreme Court and that to Madras High Court single bench. How is it? Why are you showing this? Well, the Supreme Court, enable Supreme Court judgment. Sanjay Gupta is the first judgment. That was a matter of fire tragedy, Mirat. Sanjay Gupta, we have seen. This is in 12, we have just read. 67 was paragraph 12. Like 5. Yes, please. Hmm. Yes. Yes. Now, Sanjay Gupta that yardstick was taken only because there was no other. This is not, Sanjay Gupta has nothing to do with custodial death. If you can kindly show us any case of custodial death where a yardstick of MSCT has been adopted. Madras, with all due respect to the learned judge, this Madras High Court decision does not appear to be in consonance with Nilabete Behera. Nilabete Behera has, just now you have said, this amount is an unliquidated damage. You cannot quantify that. It cannot be dependent on your income, and these are all unliquidated damage. No, you may argue on the aspect that this 5 lakhs is not adequate, taking into account the nature, but you cannot just bring in the concept of MSCT formula. Yes. Kindly, if you can kindly assist us with, yes, please do that. No, we'll hear you together. I think that will be more important. Facts is okay. And Mr. Nath would be appearing. How much, you said that 5 lakhs is an adequate compensation. No. On the aspect of receipt, Mr. Das is not disputing that he has not received. He is only saying that it is inadequate. Yeah. But if you go through Nilabete Behera, the amount, after paying the amount, the court has made it very clear. Your rights to seek damage under the civil law is or a tortious law is also available. This is a constitutional law which has been violated, and therefore, as a remedial measure, as a balm, some amount has been paid. This is not liquidated. This is unliquidated. You can still seek compensation in a court of law. You can show your income. Okay. Please do. That will be helpful. That will be helpful, and that may also yes. Mm. Heard Sri B.D. Das, Learned Senior Counsel for the petitioner, as well as Sri H.K. Hazarika, Learned State Counsel, Para, on the prayer of Sri Das, the Learned Senior Counsel. The consideration of this matter is deferred by a week. Whenever you say. As deferred by a week, on request, list on Tuesday next date. Will not be that Tuesday.
and passed as placed the division line, but she could not come out successful in the sale. Well, that is, I think, Kati class 8. But she could not come out successful in the sale. By her to this school have been paid. Yes, he then so ব্যক্তি নাগৰিককৰণৰ গোচৰ চলি আছে নেকি? Father, mother. Base 38. And I have not seen the record. Dear man. মই আজি আদালতত জাননী পাই আদালতত সাক্ষী দিব আহিছো। Otherwise, father is the Indian citizen and my lord grandfather is citizen. Daughter, my lord, somehow now I think that time my lord daughter side, my lord. So my humble submission is that please, my lord. That is my submission, my lord.
Good, yes. First of all, from the records, my lord, like point out that this proceeding was started in 2004 because this is a Divuta case, my lord, where the LVO submitted report, and on the basis of after ERO's my lord query, LVO submitted report, and of course the reference was made only in 2007. So the ERO's report, though it is not mentioned, my lord, it is clearly, my lord, in the ERO's report, my learned senior friend has not, probably that he has not got that copy. It is in the record, my lord. Record, it is said that, my lord, house to, as per which, during the period from 1/10/2004 to 25/11/2004. So this related to this period only, this inquiry, madam. Yes. Report. No. Police made a reference in 2007. That is, of course, reference was made. Because all these cases when my lord, they put, all this matter was sent to the mother, this foreigners trip. So what I already argued, my lord, 2 points here, 3 points in this issue. My lord, the say intent specific, no? Where LVU settled in yes, 3.3, 3.8, my lord. Yes. So accordingly, this it is clearly in your report. If document cannot be found, my lord, it is obviously his name continue or say, my lord, that was the reason. So I don't think it's provide the judgments. Second aspect, my lord. My lord, in full bench of this another court, and it would Muslim has there must be this this that is only with regard that is also settled, my lord. To when WPC 245 of 245 2019, my lord. And decided on 8/02/2024. This Shukurjan Nisa. All these aspects have been discussed and points were determined. Para 21, my lord. Summer, I'm just reading the last part. Para 21, in case the proceeding by Sarbananda Sunwal. Impugn opinion. Officer ear over left blank and law more fully referred in to herein before. So this question will not come, my lord. That is settled position. That is in Shukurjan, my lord. In Sayamuddin, I referred that day, my lord, the same judgment, and Supreme Court in para 41, 42 of the Sarbananda Sunwal 1. It is said that these materials which are necessary to be collected under this method, under this provision, under this fund, it cannot be accepted as a valid thing, my lord, because these materials, my lord, that where from he has come, why he has come, when he has come, this cannot be ascertained by any investigation officer or investigation. So in that case, my lord, that's why in Shobananda Sonal, the 1984 rule I have already said, these matters were transferred only on the basis of direction of the Honorable Supreme Court in Shobananda Sonal. Had there been no direction, my lord, there was no issue. But all these matters were transferred to the Foreigners Tribunal on the basis of direction of the Supreme Court. Now you cannot challenge that this, my lord, the inquiry is fake, inquiry is wrong, inquiry is not proper. Because, my lord, the IMDT was set aside only for that reason itself. The inquiry is not proper, inquiry is fake, this inquiry process is illegal. That's why all this matter, irrespective of false inquiry, the inquiry is bad. Those matters were transferred to the Foreigners Tribunal. But Foreigners Tribunal got jurisdiction only from the direction of the Supreme Court. So now we cannot question, my lord. If we want to question that, we have to challenge the, my lord, the Shobananda Sonal paragraph 41, 42 and 1984, my lord. That's why, my lord, the argument my senior friend has said, argument made by my senior friend, that this inquiry is not proper, the, my lord, the proceeding is not proper on the basis of this document, it may not be accepted. Yes. Yes, ma'am. So migrants are here. Whatever may be the source matter. Yes, there has to be a reason to believe. If he has the reason to believe that some illegal migrants, foreigners are hiding somewhere, even in bus, train, even in hospitals, what he will ask for documents if necessary. He will give 15 days time to produce, if he cannot produce immediately, to produce documents, my lord. If thereafter he cannot produce, then after preparing the report, he will send a matter, my lord, will refer the matter. That is this in 2020, after 20 will be covered with the new 1 day time. You will have to produce within this time will be given to produce documents that to show that he is an Indian. Then if he cannot produce, senior, the while referring, the stream is not mentioned. Because from the woman, resume, definitely there's no document of it will be a different issue. Could not produce any documents. So it will be automatically 1971. And in notice, madam, notice it is clearly said that you are suspected to be foreigner of post 1971. So he has that good knowledge. That, but yes, no. Letter is clarified that no, that cannot be the law because way because NEET is an Indian or prior to 71 or 66, 71 prove that he is in between 66 to 70. He will use any document. It will no way prejudice the petitioner mind because documents are available. He can then no issue. Yes. My lord, my submission is, my lord. Yes. Yes. If yes, ma'am. Yes. Yes. Sarzo, ma'am. That's that. My lord, yes, my lord, my in that respect, may I clarify, my lord. Suppose a person who is suspected to be 66 to 71 string by the police reference. Now it comes to the tribunals. Tribunal has to, my lord, decide that whether he belongs to 66 to 71. That is the question. Whether tribunal can say, no, you have no documents of 66 to 71. Yes. Yes. I want to register under 60. 71 is force. Post 71. That is true, man. Yes. Yes. That was the point. Yes. No, that was the point, man. Why? In fact, that was the argument initially. Yes, no, the tribunal cannot go beyond that because he is searched under 66 to 71. In some cases, my lord, he is searched under after 71. But he could produce some documents of 66 to 71. Yes. Not to contest. Then automatically there is that he of 66, 71. Man. It cannot be. It cannot be because he has not been. It cannot be. Yes. But we did 66. He will have to be declared as 66 to 70, you understand? But in this case, my lord, he was referred as, my lord, the notice was that you have come to India after 25/3/1971. So you proved it? Yes. There no prejudice. Post 71. That is in the page 17, my lord. Page 17 of this record. It is. Yes. So that is the point here. And now, my lord, the issue of in merit, if we see. Only, my lord, the point here is whether the petitioner could, my lord, prove that he is the daughter of Abu Akkar Siddiq of 1970 or 17. Yes. Now, if you look at me, can see the voter list of 1971. Yes, please. 1966, 65, 66, the father was not there. The projected grandfathers were there. Sahar Ali Sheikh and Alexander Bibi. Yes, madam. Just 10 minutes. Yes, I'll complete. Now in 1971, if your lordship may kindly see page 34. Yes, 34. Barhamguri, the Abu Akkar Siddiq, aged about 23 years, and the page 34, madam, voter list of 1971. 135 is the document, name of the projected father. Is Abu Akkar Siddiq. It is not Abu Bakr Siddiq, madam. And father, the father name is shown as Sahar. Abu Akkar Siddiq. So one Abu Akkar Siddiq was there in 1971. That is, that is, and who is Sahar, aged about 23 years, and who was resident of Homaguri, madam. So that is. Now, my lord, if your lordship may kindly. Homoraguri, yes, Homoraguri. Now, she's trying to link herself only with a school certificate. That is the school certificate, and there is no other issue. And first of all, if you lordship may kindly see, school certificate is page 47, madam. Yes. The school name is, my lord, Jia Foroli. Jia Foroli HE School, Shilonigaon. Yes, shifting he has stated. Yes, he has stated, but when shifted, how shifted, why shifted, those are not. Yes. Yes. Now, my lord, the thing is that, my lord, even though one thing I would like to point out, after 71, there is no voter list of the projected father or projected mother. In fact, she has not mentioned who is her mother, whether she has any siblings. Who is her mother, that is not mentioned in the WS. And there is no reasoning shown why the father name is, my voter list of father is not there. Where is the father? Why father name is not? No reasoning is given. All these are there. Only now link documents, my lord, this page 47. This is certified death Miss Momtaz Begum. In fact, it is son of daughter of Mohammad Abu Bakr Siddiq. This is Abu Bakr Siddiq, not Abu Akkar Siddiq, my lord, which is spelled in 1971. Now, she was reading in class 8, whether she has passed or not, that is not known. And this school have paid her fees up to 31st December 2001. Her date of birth as per admission register is 5/1/1985. Now this is signed by the headmaster and countersigned by the Assistant Inspector of School, Sonitpur District Circle, Tezpur. So this is issued on 29/1/2009. That is one aspect of the matter, my lord. Though she has she left the school. She left the school in 2001. 2001. My lord, the school certificate is issued on 29/1/2009. Why this certificate was issued belatedly, that is not, no reason is given, my lord. No reason is given why this school certificate was issued belatedly. Now, another aspect, my lord. If your lordship may kindly see the school name, Jia Foroli HE School. It's surprising how it become HE School. Because right below your lordship will find page 47, right below in the seal. It is said that Jia Foroli High School. Jia Foroli High School. HE School, what does E means, my lord? The seal says it is Jia Foroli High School. And the certificate is issued by the then headmaster, who was in 2009, and my lord, no evidence is shown that this entry in the school register was made by the headmaster, and he has come forward to prove that he has made the entry. That is the law, my lord, when the school certificate in school register, if the school register is brought to prove the date of birth or, my lord, anything of that, the person who enters that, he has to come in the school register. That is the, my lord, Biratmal Singhvi proposition. Biratmal Singhvi's proposition. But who has entered this, my lord, her name in the school register? He has not come forward to prove that, my lord, entry. My lord, any person, my lord, who has the knowledge of that, he has to come. That is what Biratmal Singhvi has said, my lord. Now, in fact, the person who issued this certificate, he also did not come, my lord. He also did not come forward. Not even the, my lord, who made the entry. The person who issued this certificate, he also did not come. Another aspect, my lord, as the tribunal has pointed out, my lord, the school register which were brought before the tribunal, those were not countersigned by the inspector of school. Neither the school register nor the, my lord, the admission register. Not even the headmaster's seal and signature is there, my lord. Yes, ma'am. Yes, madam. Authority, the assistant inspector of schools. Yes. Probably, my lord, my understanding, my lord, the resolutions which are passed in the school, those has to be approved by the inspector of schools. But immediately, those registers may not be necessary, but resolutions which are adopted in the school, seal, it's so. Yes, yes. Original. No, no. Jia Foroli High School. No? Yes, Jia Foroli High School. It can be written. Seal, round seal. No? Yes. Jia Foroli High. Yes. School admission register, 2000, that is that was exhibited by the school headmaster. There also it is at JBH school, H school. Admission register 2000. And what is this headmistress, while deposition? She said Jia Foroli, it is ME school or HE school? Page
Yeah, only AC school is mentioned.
Yes. ME school class, it was not there in 2000.
AC English school बोलेंगे. Then education.
High school, high English school.
English school থাকে কেটে the evolution also given top 5. At least Jia Foroli Page 42.
School certificate related. AC school generally not written, my lord. I have ME is written. In fact, that is why, my lord, in some contradiction, in the seal they have said it is Jia Foroli High School. In the seal. But in the top, it is written Jia Foroli HE School. That is the contradiction, my lord. Jia Foroli High English School. Probably. Yes, seal is made local. Question?
We related issue number 8.
So that aspect is there, my lord. There is contradiction in the name itself, whether it is Jia Foroli AC School.
My name is Mamata Begum. Some says I mean, I realized there, Mamata Begum. Some says Mamata. From school says Mamta's Begum. My lord, I was given the LIC.
MOM.
Failing, yes. And my lord, regarding the. Mumtaz, Mamata. Some says MO, some says MA. Huh? Mumtaz Begum, Mumtaz. Para 4 man, that petitioner stated that in her written statement that she is Mumtaz Begum, allied Mamata Begum, wife of Qasim Ali and daughter of Shri. And my lord, Mumtaz, MP is Mumtaz Begum. Mumtaz, school record of yes.
Mumtaz.
Mumtaz, school record Mumtaz.
MAM. MAM. TAZ. No.
MAMATA. Yes.
MA, my lord. Mamatas.
Mamata. Regarding reference is concerned, minor, the report is concerned, para 36 and 37. Yeah, well, lots of Man. So I think that everyone is the voter by the I card manner. Is 26. Look, Mamota's line and that was that. Then black 8 faster.
Melo. Yes, Melo. Earlier headmaster. Yes, yes. 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 That is not broke, my lord. Yes, my lord, it is, yes. 521, my lord.
No, 520.
520, my lord. Yes. It is Mamatas Begum, my lord. Age is 5185, date of birth, and 14 years, 4 months, 26 days. Abba Bakr Siddiq.
Abu.
Not Abu, Abba. MD Abba Bakr Siddiq. Village Gudamghar. Post office Chilanigaon. PS Bhangaparam. Yes.
Akash Dosti ME school. Akash Dosti ME school he comes.
My lord, nothing is. Yes. Yes, my lord, only Biratmal Singh, my lord, your lordship, my 9. Yes. Yes, 1984 supply SCC, yes, madam. 1988 supply SCC, madam. Supply SCC, page my lord 604. Para 14 and 15, madam. Yes. No, my lord, it is not, my submission is entry. Who made the entry? Then, my lord, that it was proper. Yes. Yes, that's the one. Yes. Second judgment, my lord, on it.
Regarding my lord,
2020
spelling is concerned, para 43 and
Yes. 2025, my lord, SCC online. My lord, which regard to the belated issuance of certificate, madam. Belated issuance of school certificate. No reasoning is given. 2025 SCC online 1160, Rafiqul Haq, madam. Yes, Rafiqul Haq, they are in para 14. Madam. 2025 SCC online SC 1160. Yes. Hawk, HOQUE. So that para, my lord, 15, last part it is said. D is, yes, my lord. Before Sanjay, yes, Justice Carol and Manoj Mishra. Yes, ma'am. Justice Mishra, authored by Mishra. Para 15, my lord. School living certificate.
regarding my lord, the correct documents, my lord, para 43 in my judgment, my lord, clearly stated that, my lord. It is seen that names of the people, even on important government documents, can have and do have right spelling depending on them in the English, Hindi, Bengali, or Assamese, or any other language for the matter, more on names of the person. This is not maybe considered only because of the spelling, we cannot. No, that is para 43, man.